Hi everyone, let us discuss the part 2 of water tank working drawing explanation. See the foundation for the staircase. Whatever the staircase or ladder is given here, no, there is foundation for that. Foundation is here for that. So let us know in detail the foundation of the staircase or ladder. So here is the foundation of the staircase or ladder. See the first he has given the stepped foundation. This is a PCC. This is a first step, and this may be considered as a pedestal. Even pedestal. 400 plus 200, 600 is a depth of pedestal, and the first step of the footing is 200 depth. Right? The foundation plan is given here. So it is of the plan measurement of the foundation is 1.1 meter by 500 and zero point 7 by 250 zero point 7 by 250 There is insert plate for the foundation or a pedestal. Then the channel section will come here. The channel section ISMC 125 and there is an insert plate having a dimension 200 by 200 by 10 I think the foundation details of the staircase or steel ladder is clear. Now let us know the reinforcement details of the columns. Here the columns is here, no, 400 by 400 Let us the lapping distance should be, see, it should be point L by 4 distance, and from here L by 4 distance. So whatever the distance is remaining here, no, the lapping should be provided in this zone. That is also in the form of joggle. Means it should not be, the vertical bar should not be at the same level. It should be joggled. Now let us discuss the bottom slab reinforcement. The bottom slab reinforcement is here. See, as given 12 75 12 dia, 75 center to center distance. Yes, given here. And 12 75 E is also given same thing. Yes, demarcated here. Right? Then the top bars, the what I told right now, no, they are of 12 75 spacing bottom bars. Top bars is given here 12 75 75 top bars, and they should be, if they have provided like this, it should be provided in a way of diagonally. Means if we make an alignment, it will look like this. Here one bar, here one bar, here one bar, here one bar. Means we need to provide like that. And now cylindrical section or a cylindrical wall. See the reinforcement for this cylindrical wall, the distribution bar is 16 dia, 110 center to center distance on both the sides, means outer face and inner face. Both the side he has given the same diameter of the bar and same spacing, that is 110 and the vertical bar for the wall, cylindrical wall, is 16 110, not 110, sorry, where he has mentioned 218 218. Yes, The vertical bars is of 16 mm dia, 110 mm center to center is given. Now let us know the top slab reinforcement is given in the drawing here. Let us erase this. Okay, so what he has given, he has given top bars 12 mm dia, 12 mm dia, 120 mm center to center, and bottom bars 12 mm, 120 mm center to center. This is also clear. Top and bottom is there. Top part, top mat and bottom mat 12 mm, 120 mm center to center distance is given for the top slab. Now let us discuss about the mid landing reinforcement details as given in the drawing. The mid landing reinforcement detail is given. The details are here. The reinforcement of mid landing for the staircase is given in this portion of the drawing. See, main bars, top bars are 8 mm, 200 mm center to center. Bottom bars 200 mm, sorry 8 mm dia, 200 mm center to center distance, and uh, main bars for the beam, two numbers of 12 mm and two numbers of 12 mm top and bottom. The ring is of 800 200 mm center to center distance for the slab, landing slab, both top and bottom mat 8 mm, 200 mm center to center distance is given. The reinforcement is provided surrounding the opening of the pipe in the slab. So the reinforcement details is here, is provided now. Here it is. The bar dimension, bar diameter will be same as the slab diameter. Whatever the reinforcement is given for the slab, the same thing is going to play here also. But the ring to the peripheral or circumference of the hole being made in the slab is of two numbers 8 mm dia. See, these rings are of LD. He has given LD, typical LD. LD means development length. See, even he has given the dia of the bar also 12 mm, two numbers. I told it from the slab reinforcement. He has not given like that. He has specifically given separate two numbers of 12 mm dia on each face. Means four sides of the circle. Now let us discuss about the finial column reinforcement. The finial columns is of size 200 by 200 mm in plan size. See, these are finial columns, whatever they have given in the drawing, no, rectangular shape for the ventilation over the top slab of the overhead tank. So this is the, and the reinforcement is given here for the finial columns. So finial columns 200 by 200, four numbers of 10 mm main bars for the column, and 8 mm 150 mm center to center lateral ties is given in the drawing. I hope everything is clear of finial column. Now let us discuss about the nodes of the given drawing, which is fit for construction. Sorry, before going to the nodes, the here he has given the slab reinforcement for the finial or finial slab. Thickness is of 75 mm he has given, and 8 mm 150 spacing, and 8 mm 150 on both the direction he has given clearly. Now let us go for the nodes point what he has given in the drawing. All dimensions are in meters, means The point number 1 is informing us that all the dimensions in the drawings are in meters. Point number 2, follow figured dimensions only, means should not be altered any dimensions. Point number 3, this drawing shall be read in conjunction with all civil engineer drawings, and if any discrepancy is noted, same shall be brought in notice of the consultant of the excavation of the work at site. See, if there is any changes as per the site condition, it is to be discussed before execution with the consultant. The point gives the meaning like this. Third point, all binder layer leveling course shall be with the PCC, means leveling after excavation. The leveling should be done with the PCC M10 grade concrete. And point number 5, over excavation and excavated portion of the shall be made up with the PCC to rest any structural member as required. Means if you have done any excess excavation due to a loose soil while excavating, it may fall uh, due to loose, that should be filled with the PCC only. And point number 6, if any pocket or loose soil strata encountered during excavation seem to be removed and filled, PCC brought up to the foundation level and structural member as required. This also gives the same meaning as point number 5. Point number 7, all relevant insert plates and anchor bars etc. are to be placed in position prior to concreting of member as required. Means insert plate and anchor bars are to be placed as given in the drawing. Now cover for the reinforcement as given for the different members. For the pedestal and footing, he has given 50 mm cover. For the columns, 50 mm. For the tie beams, 40 mm. Plinth beam, 50 mm. Bottom sidewall and top slab of the water tank, 45 mm. Ring beam or floor beam, 45 mm. And point number 9, he has given LD, means development length or lapping length. See, he has given 46 times the dia. For the vertical reinforcement or vertical bars, he has given the lapping distance LD, means 1 times the LD, where LD is equals to 46 times the dia. Whatever the diameter is given, if he has given the 60 mm diameter for the vertical bars of the column, it should be multiplied with the 46, means 46 times 16. Wherever the horizontal member comes, because horizontal member is subjected to the bending moment, there is a chance of getting crack or failure of member. Hence, it should be provided with the 2LD, where LD is equals to 46 times the diameter given. It should be multiplied by 2 again. See, point number 10, discuss about the lapping zones. See, lapping, the way of providing the lapping is discussed in the point number 10. See, the lapping should be provided staggered way, means it should be joggle in the sense the reinforcement vertical bars should not be provided at the same level, and lapping should be at different levels, and that should be of 50% lapping at one position. I think you have understood. The same point is there in the 10.1 and 10.2, distance center to center 1.2. Point number 11 says that the sizes of the anchor bolt pocket sizes shall be discussed with the contractor before the preparation of drawing by the consultant. Thank you for watching this video. So subscribe, like, share. Thank you.